All right? So, if I lie to Cindy, if I steal from Cindy, is it worse than if I steal from a homeless person that has just $1 left? What's worse? Of course, because they'll suffer even more than her. But do I collect negative karma from stealing from her? Yes. Of course I do. But because she won't starve, the karma is negative. If I steal from a homeless person, it's even worse. If I steal from a very sick person, a very old person, if I steal from the temple, it's even worse. Why? Because object, action, and motivation. Everybody got that? Everybody understand? So therefore, if the object is an enlightened being, Lord Buddha, Lama Tsongkhapa, Jason Tara, Manjushri, Vajrapani, Chenesik, if the object is an enlightened being, Doji Shukden, Mahakala, Kalarupa, Veshavana, Tenden Hamo, if the object is an enlightened being, also the action is multiplied. So if I prostrate to Cindy, depends on my motivation, it's pretty much neutral. If I prostrate to Buddha Shakyamuni, it will be a tremendous amount of merit dependent on my motivation. If Cindy prostrates to me, depending on her motivation, maybe it's just neutral, nothing much. Maybe just exercise, stretch her body. If Cindy prostrates to Lord Buddha, she will be exercise, also she collects merit. Why? In this case, what is the main effect? Object.